The Claude.m hierarchy, 4 tiers and 1 rule that wins. 4 file cards stacked top to bottom. User holds your defaults. Project holds team conventions, checked in. Subtree scopes rules to a folder. Local is your personal get-ignored override. Precedence flows down the stack. The more specific tier wins. User lives at ~/.claude/claude.md. It applies to every project on your machine, your global defaults. Project lives at ./claude.md in the repo root. It's checked in so the whole team agrees on the conventions here. Subtree lives inside a directory, say frontend/claude.md. It scopes rules to that folder, and it only loads on demand. Local is claude.local.md, get ignored just for you. Use it for personal overrides you don't want to push. When the agent edits a file inside frontend, the subtree claude.md in that folder loads. It lights up, its rules are now in scope. When the agent works in backend instead, the frontend subtree card stays dim. Subtree files load only when files in that subtree are touched. Here's a conflict. User says indent 4 spaces, project says indent 2. The frontend subtree says prettier decides. 3 tiers, 3 answers, who wins? Resolution, the most specific applicable rule wins. Frontend's prettier rule beats project, which beats user. The overridden rules fade. More specific overrides more general every time. Right rule, right tier. Azure never AWS, that's a generic preference, true for every project. It belongs in user. Use pnpm and run pnpm CI before commit. That's a team workflow. It belongs in project, checked in alongside the code. This folder is React and Tailwind. That's folder specific. It belongs in Subtree, so a front-end rule never pollutes a back-end file. Why does a rule look ignored? Here's one in infra/claude.md, but the agent is editing web. That subtree never loaded. The rule isn't ignored, it just isn't in scope. The other case, a user rule quietly overridden by project. Half ignored usually means the wrong tier or a subtree that never loaded. These instructions steer the skills, subagents, and hooks we cover next.